everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and today we're going to unbox and review the McIntosh MHT300. Let's get into it. The McIntosh MHT300 is a 7.2 channel receiver that will make your home theater dreams come true. This powerhouse weighs 27 pounds. 199, 100, yep, 27 pounds. The MHT300 AVR has many familiar McIntosh design elements, including the black glass front panel, the illuminated McIntosh logo, rotary control knobs, and a familiar form factor design highlighted by silver trim. It delivers 150 watts of power per channel into 4 ohms or 120 watts per channel into 8 ohms, with all 7 channels being driven. That means each speaker is getting full power at the same time. Specs that aren't very common in most AV receivers, let me tell you. The MHT300 has 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output. Each HDMI port is HDCP 2.3 compliant and supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. All ports have 40 gigabytes per second of bandwidth and are compatible with Dolby Vision and HDR10. Just a reminder, you will need to use ultra high speed or active HDMI cables to take full advantage of the MHT300's HDMI capabilities. Sentry monitor short circuit protection circuit that disengages the output stage should the current ever approach unsafe operating levels. It also resets automatically when operating conditions return to normal. Power control to automatically turn other connected McIntosh components on or off. Eco-friendly on and off signal sensing that turns the unit off if no input has been detected for a set amount of time. However, it also automatically turns the MHT300 on when it senses a signal from your home theater. How convenient! And an FM tuner for enjoying free over-the-air radio broadcast? Seriously? It is. Dang. Nice. So if you're looking to upgrade your home theater and what you've really been missing is that heart-pounding powerhouse to really help bring your favorite movies to life, then look no further than the MHT300. That's about it for now, guys. Make sure to let us know in the comments what you think about it, or better yet, we've got one right here. Just stop by our showroom for a demo. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.